How's it going today, everybody? Trucks and Water here, and today I just got done with work, worked some overtime this Saturday, so we'll get this Saturday started. I don't know exactly what's going to go on today, but it should be a good afternoon. So this is a badass new Raptor. I don't know what kind of wheels those are, but that looks so damn good on that Raptor. Holy crap, that looks good. Looks very good. All right, guys, I'm at a little bit of an overlook that overlooks Pell City Community College right here. If it's perfectly sunny out, you can see all of the Cumberland Mountains right there. It's a really nice view. But anyways, a little update on the truck to really get this video started. I'm about halfway through, more towards the end of the ECM learning phase. Absolutely going great. Truck's running awesome. I can't be any more thrilled with how the engine turned out. So I mean, absolutely looks fantastic. So from there, we'll start probably doing the front end modifications here shortly. We'll start working on that. But yeah, so that's what's kind of going on right now with the truck, if you're all are wondering. So we're at Twin City Auto Center, also known as the Truck Center of Alcoa, Tennessee Motor Mile. I'm with my buddy Colin back in the vlogs. We are looking at trucks here, and right now we got a Ford Raptor right in front of us. Let's see if it's unlocked, because they usually are. Told you.
You weren't kidding.
Jump in that thing, come on. I'll take one. So we looked around, found some F-250s, some Chevys, some Dodges, and me and Colin both realized how poor we actually are. But nothing will ever replace Ashley. Well, maybe maybe the Raptor, but not Ashley. They apparently knew me. It is Sunday. It's a lot different of a day than it was yesterday. Perfectly sunny, a little bit of clouds in the sky. It's gonna be an awesome day, and it feels good. It's like 60, 65 degrees outside. It feels amazing outside. But anyways, right now I'm gonna get the truck sprayed off real quick because yesterday's rain made the truck look nasty. And we have a memorial ride today for a family that one of our truck buddies knows. They lost their baby little girl. I think she was like 3 months old or something. I don't remember exactly, but she perfectly healthy little baby girl, and she became deathly ill and passed away, unfortunately. So we're gonna do a memorial ride for her family and raise some money for her family and all that other stuff. So it should be a good time with that. I mean, I hate hearing that for anybody, you know, like, I know we're all like truck guys, must be tough and all that stuff, but it really does break my heart that that family has to go through that. So so prayers out for their family. But yeah, we're gonna get the truck washed off real quick and we'll go from there. All right, guys, the truck is now clean, looks a whole lot better. Got most of the crap off of it. Oh yeah, looks a whole lot better. And my belt squeak's starting to go away. I'm still gonna change out the belt though. Let's head on over there. All right, guys, me and Kayla, my photographer, we're rolling out to North Dam to get ahead of the group. That way we can, you know, get the people rolling in and whatnot. I just bought a sticker, hashtag for Jasmine. That is the little girl's name that unfortunately passed away due to a sickness. And again, hearts and prayers out to her family. She's like, I think she's only like 3 or 4 months old or something like that. I mean, it's just it's just unthinkable, or I mean, I don't know how else to describe it, losing a child that young. But right now we're gonna roll to the dam and get everybody rolling in, all the trucks and stuff. We have now made it to Norris Dam. As you can see in the distance, there's Ashley right there, that general area. I got Kaylee's photography here. She's helping me out with the photography. Make sure you go down and follow her. Of course, her Instagram name will be popping up right now and down in the description. She's the one that did my photographies last time of me and my truck and stuff that you all frequently love. So make sure you hit her up with if you need not just truck photos or me or you and your truck. She does marriages, she does senior photos of high school and college. She does a bunch of stuff, guys. So anything you need, make sure you hit her up. She's fantastic at what she does. So right now we're kind of waiting on the Convoy to come in, and then we'll go from there. We just got done with the whole convoy rolling in. We're gonna be walking around a little bit, checking out the trucks and whatnot for this special occasion. We got a good crew. It looks like we got about, say, 30 to 40 trucks showed up, somewhere around there. Probably more will be straggling in here in a little bit. Yeah, I see one right there. You're a little bit late to the party, buddy. Damn. Have the push starter again?
No, hopefully not. Oh, no,
Yeah! Thanks, buddy. I don't know where it's going.
These are Caitlin's shoes.
Hey, where's my truck going?
I don't know.
I don't, what the hell? Here comes my dad. Dad. Hi, Dad. Hi. Oh, God. You are so cool. I'm pretty sure he's got like 0% tint on that truck. I can see why my neighbors hate me now. Don't really care.
I wish I had headlights like this so my neighbors could hate me.
Alright guys, that's a wrap on this Memorial Ride. I want to thank everybody for coming out. Thank you all so much for coming out and showing support for that family. It means a lot to them. If my voice sounds a little hoarse, it's because I've been talking a lot the past few hours. But anyways, right now I'm probably gonna head back to the house, start doing some film editing and whatnot. But like I said, guys, thank you all so much for your all support and all this stuff about the truck meet and all that stuff. It is very much appreciated.